Clean the phone screen. Fold the sheet sideways and remove the cut from the sheet. Make sure all 3 layers are removed from the sheet. Place the cut over the phone. Check if the alignment is correct. If the alignment is incorrect, lift all the 3 layers and adjust the alignment. If the alignment is correct, holding on to the mark sticker, lift the Hydrogel from the vertical side to the midpoint, and gently push the bottom layer outward using the squeegee. Follow the same procedure on the opposing side. Peel off the top layer from a corner, keeping the Hydrogel on the phone, and remove it gradually, section by section. As you remove the top layer, carefully adhere the Hydrogel to the back of the phone. On matte finished phones, the Hydrogel may initially have reduced adhesion, but will gradually adhere firmly over time. Using the squeegee, push out the bubbles in the corners. Clean the side panel of the phone. Remove the side panel cut from the sheet. Make sure all 3 layers are removed from the sheet. Peel a portion of the bottom layer from the cutout, and carefully adhere the Hydrogel to the phone side panel. Repeat the same procedure for the other section of the side panel. The bubbles, lines and shades will disappear automatically within 24 hours.